Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you're doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making slow cooker Salisbury steak meatballs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 cups of low sodium beef broth, a 2-pound bag of homestyle meatballs or the meatballs of your choice, parsley flakes for garnish at the end, that's optional, 1 packet of the beefy onion soup mix, 2 packs of gravy. I'm using brown gravy and all Jew gravy, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and for our cornstarch slurry, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. Okay guys, to our low sodium beef broth, we're going to add in our Worcestershire sauce, our ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, our ketchup, and also our 2 packs of our gravy mix, and also our onion soup mix. So now you just want to whisk it until everything is well combined. Once you're done, set it to the side. Okay guys, next you want to get your slow cooker. So we're going to empty our bag of meatballs in. We're going to pour our beef broth mixture over top of our meatballs. Now you can give that a stir and make sure all your meatballs are covered in the broth. Now you can place your lid over top. Now we're going to turn it on. We're going to cook it for 4 hours on high. Okay guys, so our slow cooker Salisbury steak meatballs are done. As you can see, they look amazing. They smell good and they taste good. Guys, my sauce came out perfect. It's thick enough for me, but if you want yours thicker or if yours has come out thin, all you want to do is take the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it with a 1/4 cup of water until it's nice and smooth, and put it in there and mix it together and let it cook for 3 to 4 more minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, these look amazing. So all I'm going to do now is put a little bit of parsley flakes over top just for some color. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. Okay guys, as you can see, I placed our meatballs over top of mashed potatoes. You can have your mashed potatoes on the side. I have some seasoned green beans. And there's plenty of leftovers. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Are y'all hungry yet?